Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to learn how to write 10 lines on the state Assam. This video also covers the topic how to write 10-line essay on the state Assam or how to write 10-line essay on my state Assam. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Let's start. First line is Assam is the largest northeastern state of India. Second line, it is famous for its tea and silk. Line number 3 is it has a rich tradition of crafts, cane and bamboo crafts. Fourth line is Dispur is the state capital and Guwahati is the largest city in the state. Line number 5 is Assamese is the official language of the state. Sixth line, Bihu is the most popular festival in Assam. Seventh line, flood is a chronic problem in Assam. Line number 8 is every year flooding from the river Brahmaputra and other rivers dilutes places in Assam. Ninth line is floods in Assam greatly affect the farmers and the families dependent on agriculture. The last line is, it is a land of natural beauty and cultural heritage.